Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for checking my review of the Hasbro Marvel Legends Nemesis Build-A-Figure, a must-see for Uncanny X-Force fans. I'll be breaking down the sculpt and articulation, doing a custom kit bash, comparing its scale with other figures, and a quick Nemesis comic book origin. In my opinion, Nemesis is the standout figure in this wave, but I'll also be ranking the rest of the figures in this wave. If you're into highly detailed action figure reviews, Marvel character backstories, and kit bash, you're definitely in the right place. Hasbro labels him as Nemesis for retail purposes because his real name would be shocking for any parent accompanying their kids in the toys section of a store. For Uncanny X-Force comic book readers, they know his true name.